Hey guys, what is up? And welcome to an unboxing video. This is, as you guys can tell, the Scarlet 151 Ultra Premium Collection. Woo! Okay, I got this for my birthday a couple days ago. My mom gave this to me. So I was like, ooh, another unboxing for the video, the YouTubes. Anyway, so I personally never seen this is really cool looking. Definitely will be opening the packs for it and see what we get. I mean, obviously this is new. I just made a little hole here because it's still in the wrapper, but I made it kind of easier for me to open it some more. But this is what it looks like. I might have to break up this video into like good little chunks because for now I don't really have a good stand. And I'm doing this at my desk. So here we go. I mean, I can. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. Nope, I cannot. Here we go. I did it. Apparently, couldn't take one hand to open it. So, sorry for that noise. Oh, don't fall on me. Ooh, this is kind of cool. This was really hard for me to get. Well, per se, I was hunting down the 151 card packs, but on the Pokémon Center, and when I was farming that thing, like camping out, not farming, camping out on the website, the pre-orders would not change to like, oh, pre-order this amount, because I had it all planned out. But this, whoa. This is even cooler. Cute. Focus, camera. Focus. There we go. So dark. Okay, there we go. Once added some light. Ooh. This is pretty. That's Mewtwo. Can I take it out? Oh, this can be taken out. Oh, snap. Well, definitely will be going into my binder of collections. Sweet. Awesome. Okay, so there's that. I probably should have left that back in because so it comes with dice. Oh, a little cute card pack, and coins, and I think on the bottom should be a mat, or maybe not. Oh no, the mat's right here. It's right in my face. You know, I don't play the TCG, but this could be a really cute computer mat. Just saying. Okay. Let's see. Again, everything's one-handed. Oh. Stare at these cards while I try to open this up. There we go. I did it. Woohoo! This is very cute. It feels like a computer mat. Like the big old computer mats. I know this is a... Wow. This is kind of cool. Definitely can use it in case my doggo one gets a little too worn out. Nice. So this is how the setup's going to be for me to open the card packs. So we have, let's see, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16 card packs because there'll be 8 on the other side. I'm going to open them one by one here. Oh boy. There we go. Hopefully that stays open. So here's the first one. I know the orientation is going to be a little different because there's no way I can open them. No, stay open. Stay open. Come on. There we go. Hopefully that stays open. Oh, yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm not too keen on keeping a wrapper anyway. Okay, so there's that. I don't really care about the card trick right now. Just take a look. We'll go through. Now, I got in the Japanese one before. Ooh, pretty. So this is the first time I ever got the English one. I totally have a binder for all these. I probably will combine it with the Japanese. There we go. Here we go. Oh wait, get rid of that because we don't need that. Bill transfer leftovers. Ooh, Mankey. Ooh, Mr. Mime. And Gengar. And basic energy. This is my favorite one out of the card pack, all the card packs that I got, because it revolves around the, well, obviously 151, the original, the OG Pokemon. Oh, that's the reason why I wanted it, but it's so popular. It was like sold out when it first came out. I was like, nah. Wasn't expecting to get like a whole ton of it, just like a few. But got some for my birthday, so I'm very happy. Ooh, did I just get the same one? I just got the same one. That's funny. That's kind of cute. But I think this one's a little bit golden than the other one. I will check afterwards because I don't want this to fall down. I propped it up. My one goal, of course, Mr. Popular, is Charizard. I don't really care what kind of Charizard. I don't really know exactly how many Charizards are in here. I know there's a full art, rare art, something, art, I don't know. So far, getting some good hits, yo. At least to me. Ooh, nice. But yes, I camped out forever on the Pokemon website, even when after the pre-orders were announced, and they still wouldn't have any. I mean, it's sold out right now. And then after that, I haven't really searched anywhere because it's like, well, I don't really know where to find these. But you know what? I found a Japanese one at my Japanese marketplace a while back. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Zapdos, like Rapidash. Oh my goodness, good cards, good cards. I know some of you hardcore card collectors like, it's decent. It's all decent. For me, it's like, well, all the holo cards are pretty decent. Okay, they're all good to me, man. Anything that sparkles and shines. Ooh. Voltorb and Marowak. Oh, snap. Wait a minute. I don't think my other basic energy was, as I just go and check. Nope. Oh. So this is the first basic energy that's all shiny. All shiny. Shing, sparkle, sparkle. Cut. Here we go. I think I'll put it on this. I'll put it on here afterwards. After I open them, making kind of a mess. Eevee, we don't do bad. Stay open. There we go. Nope, it's not good. You know what? That's okay. We will just do it without Hypno. Seems like. Ooh. You too. Heck yeah. Okay. You know what? I'll just grab all the card packs right now. Ooh, there we go. So far, some good ones. Oh, there we go. Ho 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 ho. Okay. Don't need that. Okay. Do. Persian Clefable. Ooh, my favorite evolution, Jolteon. And basic energy, non-shiny. Now, I usually don't do the whole appraisal system. You know, get your cards appraised and sell them. I'm more of a collector, so Plus, it's kind of expensive just to get it appraised and then sell it. But then again, that's how you make your money. Ooh, another Persian. Sand Slash. Oh, and look at that. There's another shiny. Shing. I got Flareon. So now I got Jolteon, and now I got Flareon. Oh, snap. Getting some good ones, yo. Good ones! Okay. I know, I was thinking about doing this video for the end of the year, but then, you know what? No. I'm taking some time. I know I've been busy. But you know what? Since I'm on vacation, dang it, I can do this. Ooh. Poliwrath, Vileplume, another Clefable, and another Marowak. Got some extras I can give. It's nice. Oh, these are nice packs. Oh, okay. Come on, where's my boy Char Char? Could be anything. Charmander, Charmeleon. Haven't found him yet. Ponytail. Hey, Pika-Pee. Farfetch, Oldhamber. Ooh, nice. Kadabra, Ivysaur. Fearow, Mankey. Ooh. Giovanni. That's a pretty one. That's pretty neat. Giovanni Charisma. Oh. Like I said, I am intrigued with all holographic cards. If you tell me which ones are rare ones, I'll be like, oh, neat. I don't know what the super rare ones are, but Bulbasaur. Oh, I kind of forgot actually, because I've seen openings from other YouTubers. Oh, Charmeleon. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. First one for the Char Char line, yeah. Gyarados. I like that one. That's a pretty one. Okay. Wait, what's this? Oh no, I thought the basic energy was shiny. Nope, no it's not. Okay, next one. We got 3 more after this. Okay, here we go. Pidgeotto. I'm so loving this series. A Choke, Dewgun, Oddish, Drowsy. I think I just got all 3 birds. Yeah, I think I just got all 3 birds. Hold on. So I got Moltres. Hold on. Okay, wait. Yeah, let me find him. Okay, here's Moltres. Hold on. I'm pretty sure. Ha! That's kind of funny. That's super funny. Yeah, here we go. It's Articuno. Okay. Now I gotta find where Zapdos went. Am I really gonna find? Oh. Yes. Ah. Get over there, Zapdos. Yes, I do have all 3 birds. Granted, Zapdos is a different one, but Moltres, Articuno, Zapdos. Oh, dang. That's rare in my eyes. Anyway. That's pretty cool. So then, I mean, for the evolutions, I just need Vaporeon. Whoop. There we go. Don't need that. Here we go. Dratini, Growlithe. Can I get a Charmander in here? I got Charmeleon. Mr. Man. Ooh. Ivysaur and... oh, cute. And a sparkly blue. Neat. So I got... okay. Second to the last one. Let's see. Whoa. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. So lately, ooh, almost our Graveler. Oh, Aerodactyl. And a basic blue. That's pretty cool. Lately, I've been busy playing on my Switch. Pokemon Scarlet and Ace Attorney. Yes. Although currently now I'm playing Ace Attorney. But I did play the DLC, the Indigo disc on for Scarlet. Finished that story and got all the completed my whole Pokedex with the Blueberry Academy. So I been in a Farfetch, Kadabra, and Omastar, and Basic Energy. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so that is all the packs. Then, so now I'm gonna see. Can I open this? Can I? Oh yes, I can. Okay, wait. I want to open this for the. Oh, snap. Okay. Ooh, okay. I will fix that in a jiffy. Let's see. Take a look-see. How do I open this? Oh, okay. I see it. So it's like, rip it open. There we go. That semi-helped. Uh-oh. Hold up. Okay. There we go. Ooh. Alright. I'll put that over there. Hey, put it over there. There we go. Okay. Oh, it feels like it has something. So it's a little divider. So for now, I'm just gonna put these cards in here. That way I can, later, I will sort them out and put them in my binder. Of course, I don't think everything will fit, so guess what? That's it. But that's cute. I like this though. Alright, and then the only last things, are the coins that I just like, and the dice. Oh, these are cute coins. Oh, so one's fire, one's poison? I don't know. And then Mew. Again, the dice. Again, I don't play the TCG, but if I ever learn how to, I might consider it. Alright guys, well, that is it. That is the opening for this 151 Premium, Ultra Premium collection. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a great new year. I will see you guys later. Bye!